£174 action. Princeton versus Indiana on mat number 3.
Number 3, Indiana, Devin Skatzka is opponent. From Princeton, Schleifer.
Jonathan Schleifer, junior from Princeton, has a 17-8 season record. 5th place in the EIWA, hails from East Brunswick, New Jersey, East Brunswick High School. Devin Skatzka is a freshman at Indiana, season record 24-11, 7th place out of the Big Ten, comes from Richmond, Michigan, Richmond High School. Skatzka from Indiana versus Schleifer from Princeton. Skatzka takes a shot on a single. First minute of the first period. Schleifer funks out of it. We're still neutral. Devin Skatzka from Indiana versus Schleifer. Jonathan Schleifer from Princeton. Halfway through the first period, we're scoreless. Both wrestlers trying to set up a shot for a takedown. 174-pound action on mat number 3, about 316 on your bracket sheet. Schleifer of Princeton versus Skatzka from Indiana University. Minute to wrestle in the first period. Both wrestlers neutral. Stalemate indicated by our referee Mike Chase, his assistant J.R. Johnson. Skatzka trying to set up a throw here, trying to get some position. Schleifer trying to work off a collar tie. "30 seconds in the first period. No scores yet. About 316. 174-pound wrestlebacks. NCAA championships. Scott Trade Center, St. Louis, Missouri. First period ends scoreless. We'll go to the second period. Mike Chase flips the disc. Choice comes up green. Princeton's going to defer choice. Indiana's going to take bottom. So red choice chooses down. Third period choice will go to Princeton. No score yet. Starting the second period.
We have a coach's warning for
Schleifer riding on top. Skatzka trying to get position to get an escape here. There he does. He's going to get more than an escape. He's going to get a reversal. Takes a 2-0 lead. Devin Skatzka from Indiana. The Princeton Tigers versus the Indiana Hoosiers. Mat number 3. Princeton in the orange singlet with the Tiger P on the back. And Indiana in a red and white singlet with the big IU on the front. Schleifer's going to turn in. He's going to come up with at least one. There's a reversal to tie the score at 2-2. Schleifer's got to work tough on top here. He can't give position away to Skatzka. Scores tied at 2 on 2 reversals in the second period. Schleifer's latched onto that leg to maintain control. It's all he has. Schleifer's still in control. He's in control. He could get back points there if Skatzka was in a predicament. "36 seconds in the second period. Score tied 2-2. Schleifer's going to try to ride him out here for the last 36 seconds. Schleifer has 1 minute and 3 seconds riding time on the clock, which could be a huge factor later. Not yet. As I say that, Skatzka stands, peels hands, cuts his hip through, and gains an escape to take a 3-2 lead. Schleifer will have choice in the third period. I'm going to bet he's going to take bottom. Short time remaining in the second period. Both wrestlers neutral. Third period choice will go to Schleifer, who's going to take bottom.
Number 4 from Harvard, Joseph Johnson.
Schleifer goes to a short sit. Going to try to peel hands. Tries to get underneath the arm of Skatzka. Skatzka drops down. Now Schleifer cuts through and gains the escape. Score's tied at 3, 3-3. Riding time not a factor at this point. It's under a minute. Nice shot by Schleifer. He's got him on his back and account for back points. Very close to the pin. There it is. Jonathan Schleifer from Princeton pins a tough opponent, Devin Skatzka from Indiana. Our winner from Princeton, Jonathan Schleifer.